Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make eclairs without an oven. First, let's prepare our choux pastry on the stovetop. Combine 125 milliliters of water with 50 grams of butter in a saucepan and bring it to a boil. Remove from heat, then quickly stir in 75 grams of all-purpose flour until a dough forms. Return to low heat for 2 minutes, stirring constantly to dry out the dough. This step is crucial for a perfect texture. Next, let's finish our choux dough and cook the eclairs. Allow the dough to cool slightly, then beat in 2 large eggs, one at a time, until fully incorporated and smooth. Transfer the dough to a piping bag fitted with a star tip. Pipe 6 to 8 centimeter long strips onto parchment paper. Gently fry these in about 2 centimeters of hot oil over medium heat for 3 to 4 minutes per side until puffed and golden brown. Drain them on paper towels. Now let's create a luscious filling for our eclairs. For a classic pastry cream, whisk 2 egg yolks with 50 grams of sugar and 20 grams of cornstarch. Gradually add 250 milliliters of warm milk, then cook over medium heat, stirring constantly until it thickens. Remove from heat, stir in a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and cover with plastic wrap touching the surface. Chill thoroughly for at least 2 hours before using. Finally, it's time to assemble and decorate our delightful eclairs. Once the pastry cream is completely chilled, transfer it to a piping bag. Make 2 small holes on the underside of each cooled eclair and pipe in the cream until full. For a simple glaze, melt 100 grams of dark chocolate with a tablespoon of butter. Dip the top of each eclair into the melted chocolate, then let it set. Enjoy your homemade, oven-free eclairs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.